So before to define rank of a matrix, I will define minor of an element. Minor of an element. Sorry, minor of an element already we defined. Minor of order R. Okay. So I will consider in a matrix. Let A be a matrix of order m by n. So to explain the definition, I will consider a matrix of order some 4 by 5. I will take a particular example here. Okay. So what I will do, suppose this is a matrix. First row, 1, 2, -3, 0, 2. Now, whether you are taking a note, running notes, printed notes you will get, or the same whatever I am writing on a board that I can share as a PDF also. So while teaching, you can take running notes also. Okay. Second row is 2. Okay, tell me order of the matrix. Order of the matrix, quick.
4 into 5.
4 by 5. There are 4 rows and 5 columns. Okay. So here I am defining minor of order R. Minor of order R. And we have studied how to find minor of an element. And to explain this definition, I will take R is equal to 2. Okay. After explaining the example, you can generalize that. Suppose we are finding minor of order R for any matrix which is given. A is any matrix of order m by n, where R is less than minimum of m and n. So to explain this definition, I will consider R is equal to 2. What is the first step? So first step, suppose if you are obtaining minor of order 2, first step says that select any 2 rows from a given matrix. Select any 2 rows. There is no any constraint to selection of a rows. So one may select row number 1, row number 3. Chalel. One may select row number 2, row number 3. It's okay. One may select row number 2, row number 4. Whatever the combination, that choice is left to you. That choice is left to you. Okay. So I will write only one combination. Suppose I am selecting second and third row. Again, I am telling it is not compulsion to select second and third only. You may select first and second. Choice is left to you. You have to select any 2 rows. So here I am selecting second and third row. Then what happens? If you are selecting second and third row, you will get a new matrix with first row as 2, 3, 6, -2 and 1. Okay. And the second row is 5, 0, 2, 1 and 0. So what happened? By performing step 1, that means by selecting any 2 rows, you will get a new matrix is of order 2 by 5, correct? Is of order 2 by 5. So the next step says that, okay, next step says that step 2. From the new matrix, select any 2 columns. Select any 2 columns. Any 2 columns. Again, the same concept. You can select any 2 columns. One may select first and second column. One may select first and third column. One may select second and third column. That combination or choice is with you and that is left to you. You may select. So here again I will select third and fourth. So again I am telling it is not mandatory to select that particular rows only. We are forming a square matrix of order R by R in general, we can say, by selecting any 2 rows and any 2 columns. Okay. So after step 1, if you are selecting any 2 rows, then you will get a new matrix of order 2 by 2. What is that? 6 minus 2, 2 and 1. Okay. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. And we are finding minor of order 2. And minor of order 2 is nothing but the determinant of the determinant of this matrix, whatever the value, this matrix, what is that matrix? 6 minus 2, 2, 1 is minor of order 2. So what is the determinant value? Can anyone tell? Here I will write different color. So the determinant is equal to 6 ones are 6. Minus become plus. Sorry, 10.
10.
This value is 10.
10.
Correct.
10.
This value is 10. Now I will generalize the definition. So what we are defining? We are defining a minor of order R. We are defining a minor of order R, this part. Sorry, Control Z, this one. Minor of order R. So for that, what is the first step? Suppose A is any matrix of order M by N. First step says that you have to select any R rows from the given matrix. So the combination to select R rows, that is left to the users or left to you. You can select any R rows. And when you select R rows, you will get a new matrix of order R by N. Okay, R by N. And from the new matrix, you have to select any R columns. So by selecting any R columns, you will get a square matrix of order R, and the value of that determinant is nothing but the minor of order R. Now the definition is clear.